The creation of a new country, Ethiopia's deal with Somaliland. Somaliland, a self-governing region in the Horn of Africa, bears a striking resemblance to a fully-fledged country. It has its own flag, president, laws, currency, and military. However, despite its autonomy, Somaliland lacks international recognition. On the other hand, Somalia, which is recognized as a country, faces numerous challenges, including political instability and a lack of control over its territory. In the next few minutes, we will explore the unique situation of Somaliland and its recent agreement with Ethiopia, which could potentially lead to its recognition as an independent nation. The situation in Somaliland. Somaliland, a region twice the size of Portugal, has been functioning as a de facto independent state for the past 30 years. While violence and anarchy have plagued the rest of Somalia, Somaliland has managed to maintain relative stability. It has established functioning institutions, held regular elections, and made progress in education and development. Despite its achievements, Somaliland struggles to gain international recognition, which hampers its economic growth and access to loans and investments. Ethiopia's need for a port. Ethiopia, one of the largest countries in Africa, has experienced rapid economic growth in recent years. However, its lack of access to the sea poses a significant challenge to its development. Currently, Ethiopia relies on the port of Djibouti for its exports, but the high fees charged by Djibouti strain Ethiopia's economy. To overcome this obstacle, Ethiopia has sought alternative options, including a potential deal with Somaliland. The agreement between Ethiopia and Somaliland. In January 2022, Ethiopia and Somaliland signed a historic agreement that could potentially lead to the recognition of Somaliland as an independent country. The agreement grants Ethiopia access to a 12-mile stretch of coastline in Somaliland for 50 years in exchange for shares in Ethiopia's national airline and recognition of Somaliland's sovereignty. This deal could provide Ethiopia with the much-needed access to the sea and offer Somaliland the recognition it has long sought. Challenges and potential consequences. The agreement between Ethiopia and Somaliland has faced opposition from Somalia, which considers Somaliland an inseparable part of its territory. Somalia argues that Ethiopia's actions violate its sovereignty. The potential consequences of this deal are uncertain and could range from increased tensions between Ethiopia and Somalia to the disintegration of Somalia itself. The international community has expressed concerns about the stability of the region and the potential for further conflict. Conclusion. The situation in Somaliland highlights the complexities of statehood and recognition in the international arena. While Somaliland has demonstrated its ability to govern itself and maintain stability, it continues to face challenges in gaining international recognition. The agreement between Ethiopia and Somaliland offers a potential solution for both parties, but it also raises concerns about regional stability. The outcome of this deal remains uncertain, and its impact on the region will be closely watched by the international community.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.